Hi there, green beauty lovers. Welcome back to our channel where we transform you into a chemist right in your own home. Before we go into today's exciting project, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our fun tips and tricks. Today we are diving into the world of DIY organic perfume, where you learn the standard procedure for making your own unique signature scent using organic and natural ingredients. This is going to be fun, and I promise by the end of this you will be a perfume formulation pro. This video doesn't have a recipe, but it contains a useful guideline you need to follow anytime you want to make perfect perfume. In my next video, I'll give you the recipe and step-by-step instruction. Creating a perfume is like painting a picture, but instead of colors, we're using scents. Perfumes are made of three main components called notes. The top notes are your first impression. They are lighter scents like citrus and herbs. Middle notes are the heart of your perfume, giving it body and complexity. Think florals and spices here. Finally, base notes are your foundation, giving your perfume its longevity and depth, with scents like musk, amber, and vanilla. Remember, the key here is balance. Don't worry though, I'll guide you through each step. Once you have chosen your favorite essential oil as per these categories, it's time to create your blend. Typically, we aim for a ratio of 30% top note, 50% middle notes, and 20% base notes. But remember, this is your creation, so feel free to experiment. After blending, it's time to dilute or add our blend to a carrier oil or alcohol, which makes it safe for skin application and helps your beautiful scent last longer. Keep the essential oil concentration between 10 to 30% for best results. Next is the maceration process. Let your perfume sit for a few days, allowing the scent to fully meld together. Patience, my friends, good things take time. Well, that's all for today's session. You are now a DIY organic perfume creator. I'd love to hear about your perfume making adventure, so don't forget to comment below. And for more detailed formulation guides, visit stablecosmeticformulas.com to learn how to make retail grade beauty products. Remember, creating your home beauty product is not just fun, it's empowering and sustainable. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow DIY enthusiasts. Let's continue this journey of green beauty chemistry together. Until next time, stay green and keep experimenting.